Hello everyone, I'm Shahnath. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'll be telling you guys that how you can make a resume. Actually, I got a lot of requests from you guys that do make a video on resume, and I also think that it's a very important part. So I'm thinking of making a resume. So I'll also be telling that what you should not do in your resume, as well as what you should do in your resume. And before starting out with the video, I want to tell you that my resume shortlisted in every kind of companies like Google and all of the stuff, so you can trust my word, your resume can also be selected. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So what is the basic thing which you should put in your resume? I'll discuss it first. Firstly, you should put your name in a bold letter so that it's clearly visible that who you are, and then you can actually give your contact number, then your email ID, then your LinkedIn account, and then your GitHub ID, right? If you are a competitive programmer, you can also give your profile links. I'm not, so I'm just giving my GitHub ID. So this is the basic thing which you can do. At least these things should be there, so that if you are a designer, then your Behance profile or Dribble profile should be there, right? So this is the thing. And then if you are a fresher and if you are applying for internships, or if you are applying for a new job, then education section should be at first. After the education section, you should be writing the experience section. In education section, you can omit class 10 and class 12. Based on that, your resume is filled completely. If you see that your resume is not filled completely, then you can add these. Or if your resume is quite good, after you removed your class 10 and 12, then you can keep this, right? So this is pretty good. And then you can write your college name in bold letters, then the batch or sorry, not the batch, there is the branch you are actually in, and then your CGPA, right? Now, currently my CGPA is 9.00. It is quite an old resume, so that's why. Yeah. So then you can mention the location, that where are you actually pursuing your BTech, and then you can write your starting date, and it is actually currently going on. But if you can change it, then you can make it as June 2023. For my case, it can be June 2023. You can also mention the last date, so that the reviewer won't be calculating his days, when you will be getting out. So this is the thing. So after the education section, I think I made myself clear in the education section. After that, you can write your experiences, right? That what are the things you have done. So for the experiences, you should actually write your experiences in the latest one should be at the top, and the last one should be at the last. I hope you got my point. So currently I was doing undergraduate student research at Jalf University, so I have written that as the title should be there, and then the place or the company which you are working, and then the timeline, the time from where you began and from where you are ending, so it should be there. And also I have written the location. It's up to you whether you want to write or not. So yeah, it's better if you write it, so because it should be descriptive, right? So that's why. And then on bullet points, you should write that what are you doing. Obviously research paper, you can't reveal many things, but a little bit of things, that is, you are working on GANs or what you are working on, you can write on it, like the algorithms and all of the stuff, the architecture you are using. So yeah, so this is the thing I have written. You can also add some things that, and if your paper is published, then you can also link the paper. And also in this hyperlink, you can in this in the header, you can see that I have actually linked my LinkedIn profile. If you click, you can see that if I click on it, then my LinkedIn page will be opening. So you can do like that as well. So, and you should do that because your profile should be hyperlinked, so remember on that. Then I actually mentioned my GSOC thing, as a student I did it, and I also written that what I did in that in a short and a very crisp manner, so that the reviewer can see and make a decision that if you are good for that role or not. Just I have I have highlighted 𝐏𝐚𝐲. 𝐏𝐚𝐲 is a new module for Android for camera, and then I have actually highlighted I have worked on GANs. So if he see GANs in my profile, then he was okay, he has some understanding on GANs. So so you can like bold those areas which you think like is important in your like important for the reviewer as well, right? So after that I did my machine learning engineer intern at 𝐏𝐚𝐲 which you can write, and at that point I was continuing it, and currently I am now in Blend, but this is a pretty much old resume that it is in the month of October I made it, so I have not updated this thing here. So yeah, so here also you can see that I have like mentioned some numbers, which because if you mention numbers then it can be impactful in your resume, right? So you should mention your numbers, that what you did, what was the like inference time, just like I reduced the inference time from like from 800 ms to 250 ms by using TensorRT and other optimization techniques. So you can write like that. So this is the thing. And also like I actually highlighted the key terms like computer vision, TensorRT, tensor solving. So this will help you actually to get your resume through ATS, so it will help you guys. So after the experience section you can go for the project section. Like for the projects you can list down your projects from like your good project should be in top, I feel, at least, or you can go with the with a chronological order, that is the latest one should be at the first, so you can go like that as well. So in this case also like you have to write your part, that what you have done in that project, and what are the things, what are the USP of that project, and also you can write the tech stack, that what are the tech stack it involves, and you should provide a GitHub link. Like that I have given a GitHub link in each and everything. And also like I will like show you that I have also listed one achievement for MINet Flutter, that it got mentioned Google I/O as a notable open source project. So you can write like that as well. So this is the thing. And also like you can give those numberings and all the stuff, like not numberings, actually the date and all the stuff, it will look good. And try to keep it in very clear manner so that they can like see and make a judgment that you are a good candidate, right? So after that you have written technical skills. The technical skills is not that important now currently. If I show you my resume is 2-page, because for machine learning engineers and for open source developer we can't make a resume in 1 page, right? So I made my resume in 2 pages, but if you are applying for a SD role then your resume should be in 1 page. So for the technical skills I have written what I know and all of the stuff, very brief, very shortly I have written that. And if you have any publications you can write that as well. Now I'm thinking to show you that how is my current resume looks like. So let's open that resume as well. So this is my current resume, and as you can see I have written my my email address, my phone number and all of the stuff, and then I wrote education and all the stuff. Then the experience, here you can see that I have mentioned Blend, then student researcher thing, and then all of the things I did, and then technical skills and all the stuff. After technical skills I have written projects because it was not fitting there, so I did include that in that. And then I've written most of my important projects here so that it looks good. Then I actually made a section of open source where I actually gave the topic and the link as well so that they can open that thing. And after that I've written a publication link as well. So this is my current resume, it looks like this. And so yeah, so I will suggest you that your resume should be in 1 page, your resume should be crisp, and yeah. And also one more important thing, the question I get the most is, should I add photo in your resume or not? Please don't add a photo in your resume, it looks pathetic. And also if you want to know that how I made my resume, then you can comment down below, I can make a video on it, that how I made my resume. Basically I made my resume with latex, so I can help you guys to give you the template and I will show you that how you can do it. And resume building with latex is somewhere like you will find hard at first, but it is quite easy, so don't worry about that. And yeah, so this much for this video. And if you like to suggest anything for this channel, then currently comment down below. And if I miss something, then you can surely comment, I will try to make it up in the next video. And if you want to say something, then you can also comment down or reach out to me in my socials, everything will be given down. And And yeah, this much for this video. Now I'll be talking about Newton School. So Newton School is an edtech startup who are offering full stack development course, and you don't have to pay for the course at first. After you complete the course, if you get a job between 5 lakhs to 40 lakhs LPA, then you can pay back the money to them. And the course is designed in such a way that you will get a job for sure at the end of the course, and you'll become a very good full stack developer, because mock interviews are happening and all of the stuff will be there. So it will be like making you a good developer as well. So if you want to check that opportunity as well, the link is in the description. You can go and have a look. So this much for this video. If you like the content of the channel, then consider subscribing to the channel, as well as like the video and share it with your friends so that they can also stay updated with it. So till then, bye bye.